It's an anticipated one when international recording superstar Alkaline New Rules comes to Oval Arena, Wembley, London in a few hours' time. Links 007 TV Entertainment Update will be on hand to provide you highlights of that to come. We'll return after this short break.
Here, Wembley Arena, new rules, April 17. Look out. I'm here. Mad move.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. After not gracing a stage in England for a number of years, Alkaline New Rules set to hit the Oval Arena in a few hours' time. The event, which is dubbed New Rule, is slated to begin at 7 p.m, which will see a number of supporting acts. This will see supporting acts such as Roger Wilde, Armani, Loyal Squad, movie star Johnny, Andrew Fresh, English Fire being a host, and Shayna Marie being also a host. With a seating capacity of 12,500, fans are anticipating this historic event. It's not immediately clear whether or not there will be any special guests, but fans are still keeping their fingers crossed that there will be. Links 007 TV Entertainment Update will continue to give you coverage of this, especially when the Vendetta Boss touch the stage. Thousands of fans are already inside the venue, and I can tell you this will be a night that will go down in history. Alkaline New Rules next up heads to Jamaica, his land of birth, which will see Alkaline gracing the multi-purpose stadium in Trelawney on July the 5th. Links 007 TV will be signing out for this update, but we have much more to come when Alkaline touch the stage in a few hours' time in London, England, the Oval Arena. Links 007 TV Entertainment Update is the place to be.
Oh, yes, yo. A good while we have for that Trinidad, and the feedback and the support always been good. For that, we have to big up on the style Trinidad. That's what I say. We appreciate of it. That's what I say. More see who I rock with me from them time that you know. But we watch check up this evening. We want to deal, but we don't in energy. When they tell you I get the feeling, I say feeling. Hey, so be a pain. Hey! Sure. Who do I check up this evening? When they tell you I get the feeling, we want to deal. When they tell ladies, be a pain. Right now, watch out. Hey, I mean, say nobody can test me, nobody will be out. Yeah. Anytime you are, you can swing. Hey, love me from time to time, but you don't own me. When I belong to you, baby. Go easy. But don't want nobody just for you. Go easy. I wanna what you say. When I belong to you, baby. Wow. You know I think serious though. If I can go on like the toast of man. No, tell I go try them thing with some other man. No, get you. Signal, you. When I push on about it, Coming up. Wow. Yeah, if I can go on like the toast of man. Tell I go try them thing with some